The Chartered Institute of Forensic and Investigative Auditors of Nigeria has renewed its plea to the leadership of the House of Representatives to ensure the bill establishing the institute is passed before the end of the 8th Assembly. The institute's pro tem president and other council members made the call at the induction of about 100 new members into the circle of forensic auditors.
We are surprised and worried about the delay in the House of Representatives due to the activities of the enemy of the bill, which is orchestrated by greediness and parochial interest of group of persons that has no interest of Nigerian at heart. We are calling upon the House of Representatives to disregard the antics of the enemy of Nigeria, who has disguised themselves under the protection of accounting profession, which is not but just to continue preventing a country that belongs to all from experiencing professional growth.
Other fellows of the Institute and new inductees spoke on the fight against financial crime.
We are very happy because this is a way forward. We have seen that life has changed. You cannot continue in the old path, doing the same thing every day and expect a new result. Look at the transparency report. Over 20 years, you see that this is the only time that it moves with few marks up. But yet, we are in the lower level of corruption. That means it's expedient that government must intervene and do something that will bring a change. And CIFIAN direction is the right direction. Therefore, we call on every government agencies to support this mission, because the mission is for the common good of society.
The inductees were selected from various organizations in the 36 states of the Federation and the FCT.